Hey everyone, it's Mike. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do a Google Pixel unboxing. So this bad boy, the second phone that Google has released. This is pretty cool. On the side of the box is what the side of the phone actually looks like. When you turn it around, you'll see the hashtag. With this hashtag, you can put that on your pictures which you've taken with the Google Pixel, and you can upload it to your Twitter accounts or your Instagram accounts. And if Google actually likes your photos, they may even retweet it or repost it. What we have next is it says Google Assistant built in. And what that means is that Google Assistant is already installed on the Google Pixel. So at the bottom of the phone, you can see all the important information. It says that it's a Google Pixel 2, a 6-inch with 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's a black and white version. Let's open this up. So right when you open the box, what you'll see is a beautiful phone. Right now it's just facing down. So what I do is just grab the plastic and just lift it up. And I'm just going to carefully put it on the table while I grab all the other things out of the box. So we're just going to lift up this cardboard box, and underneath this you'll see the instructions manual. And once we lift that up, what we're going to see is the adapter. Now this adapter is used to transfer any old files from your old phone to your Pixel device. So you can use this with your iOS device, you can use this with any other Android device as well. It's really simple and it's really fast. I really like what Google has done with this. It makes it really easy for people to transfer the data from their old phones to the new phone. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift this cardboard box, and what you'll see underneath it is going to be the charging cable. And you're going to see the headphone adapters. Now you may be wondering, what is the headphone jack doing in this box? The truth is the Google Pixel 2 does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So in order for you to use your old headphones, you need to use the adapter that comes with this phone. Maybe a small thing for some people, but I love the fact that Google has sent us a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, not a USB-A to USB-C. A USB-C to USB-C charging cable is the future, and I love the way where Google is going with this. Alright, so finally we're going to come back and we're going to get the last piece of the hardware, and that is going to be the charging adapter. So what I have here is a North American power adapter. It may be different from where you're from, so there's nothing else that comes out of the box. I'm just going to put it aside for now. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the instructions manual, we're going to open it up, and you're going to find the most important piece of the equipment, which is the SIM card ejector. And right behind that you'll find your instructions manual as well as the warranty guide. So we're finally back. I just cleaned up the table for you guys. So at the front what you have is the phone. At the back what you'll see is the fingerprint reader. And I'm just going to peel off the plastic here. And this phone is really beautiful. So what we have here is a SIM card tray. You have to use your SIM card tool provided in the box to open this tray up. And at the back what you'll see is the USB-C connector. Like I mentioned before, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. So if you want to listen to your audio from your old headphones, you have to use the adapter that's been provided for you. And on this side what we have is the volume rocker, and the orange button is the button to power on the phone as well as to wake the screen up. At the front of the device what you get is the front facing camera as well as two front facing speakers. And I was shocked at how clean and crisp the sound is coming out of this device. I'm just going to power this device on for you guys, and we're going to go through the setup quickly. Alright, so now that it's powered on, we're just going to press start. I'm just going to skip this, okay, and I'm just going to connect to my Wi-Fi quickly. It's just going to check for the updates, downloading any updates that are coming in. So now with this option, you can either set up the phone from a previous device, or you can set up the phone as a fresh device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this phone as a fresh device. Now I'm going to set up the unlock with the fingerprint. So before you do the fingerprint, you have to put a passcode in. I'm just going to do a quick 1, 2, 3, 4 passcode. And now we're going to set up the fingerprint reader at the back. So you got to just press slowly, and every time you press it, you will see the screen light up, and also you're going to feel a little vibration. So once your fingerprint has been recognized, it'll say your fingerprint has been added. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to enable the Google Assistant. Just hit continue, and you gotta say yes, I'm in. And if you want the additional features that come with an Android device and through Google, just hit agree. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And let me know what you guys think about the video. If you liked it, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.